Hello YouTube. I'll show you today how to repair Worcester Green Star 42 CDI overheating boiler. During yesterday's landlord gas safety checks, I've discovered that one of the 8 boilers that I did gas safety checks, it's overheating massively. Temperature spikes to 120 degrees. I have ordered circulator pump, which is not pumping properly, and also high temperature limiter sensor. Keep watching. There's a naughty boy. There's a sensor I mentioned. It's totally detached. As you can see, it's literally, this is dry sensor. You don't need to drain the boiler, but it's literally like falling into pieces. You see that pin fell out, the plastic literally broken. There's a new sensor which we're gonna replace later on, right at the end. See how dirty or clean it is. I cleaned last year, so it should be pretty clean. It's not bad. Right, that's better. Right, sensor done. Now we need to do a pump. There's a new pump. So on this particular boiler, you don't need to connect hose to drain the boiler down, because that goes straight into condensate. All we need to do is shut flow and return. That's flow. Let's return cold supply. Just go backs and forwards so I don't force it too much. That's it, shut. Now we simply open the drain off as usual, straight into the condensate. Nothing's draining because that's seized up with sludge as usual. Typical, isn't it? Not draining because that is sludged up. So if it's not draining, we're gonna open flow and return just to get all the pressure from the system pushed through that sludge. Oh, something's happening. Now we can close it. All right. It's very important to protect PCB from accidental splashes. So now the main heat exchange is draining into the bucket. quick comparison. They both spin. They both have a little bit of play. Impellers look exactly the same to me. It's just for bare eye. But I don't believe they pump the same. This will definitely pump better than this one. So you go to retirement, my friend, and you will bear this burden from now on. Worcester, in my opinion, is the worst boiler on the planet. To remove one component, you have to strip down half of the boiler. Like, for instance, to get to the pressure relief valve, you got to remove all that to get to the pressure relief valve, which is right there. Worcester designers, you suck. I need to loosen the cold inlet just to get to the AAV, automatic air vent, which I'm going to replace just in case. Baxi, in my opinion, is the best boiler to work on. So easy to get to. Baxi 800, that's my favorite. Yay, got it out. Right, that's all done. Pipes in place. Let's open AAV air admittance valve. Still gonna keep that PCB suspended up in the air so it doesn't get wet if there is a leak or something. Never know. Right, closed drain off, cold water inlet closed, filling valve operational, cold water inlet. Blow a turn. One bar. No obvious leaks. We're good. You can never be too careful. Sometimes it leaks. That's in place. So the water flow is very happy. It's still filling the condense. You see that symbol is flashing, but the water temperature is not spiking as yesterday. Staying at 44 at the moment. Let's check the further radiators. So this one was just lukewarm. That's warm at the top. Oh, this one's warm at the top. Amazing. This one was roasting hot, and it's the hottest for now. And this one warm at the top. How about the furthest one? The furthest away is either this one, which is still cold. Still cold. Ah, because it's turned on. Right, if you open it, give it a couple of minutes. And also this one. Still cold. So we're gonna give it some more time. Oh, it's getting there. It's warming up from this end. Crossed off. I always try to put description of the parts I've replaced on the inside of the boiler casing for future generations. You may want to watch that video if you want to see more Worcester repairs. See you next time.